Hello everyone, today in front of me I have ALCATEL One 2022 smartphone, and in this video we would like to show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, you want to open up the Google Play Store app. Here at the search bar type in Opera, just like so. Once the app is found, just click on this green install button and wait for the app to get downloaded and installed. As you will see now, it will not take a lot of time, so we will simply wait. Alrighty, now we can go ahead and open the Opera application itself. Here, just tap on continue. Next, you want to decide whether some of the options and features the Opera browser has to offer will be enabled from the start, or you can just always skip them and configure them later, basically. So myself, I'll enable ad blocking, enable tracker blocking, and skip setting Opera as my default browser step. Here we are presented with an opportunity to customize the preferences and permissions that we give to the Opera, but in my case I'll just allow everything it needs, and after that we can basically just start using the browser, as you can see. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.